Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my take on chicken donne biryani. So let's get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 kg clean chicken with bone. To that, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 cup thick curd. Mix everything together until well combined and allow it to marinate for minimum 1 hour. Now for the green paste, to a pan add 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is slightly heated, add 20 green chillies and saute them for a minute on medium heat. Then add 2 cups cleaned fenugreek leaves, 2 cups cleaned mint leaves and 2 cups cleaned coriander leaves. Mix and cook them on medium-high heat. They start to release water. Continue to mix and cook until the water is evaporated. It takes 4 to 5 minutes. Do not overcook the greens. Once done, turn off the flame and cool them completely and blend them to a fine paste. Now for the biryani, add 1/3 cup oil, 1/4 cup ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 teaspoon shahi jeera, 3 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 6 cardamom pods, 9 cloves, 2 mace, 2 star anise, 4 biryani leaves. Saute them for a minute on medium-high heat. Then add 3 medium-sized onions chopped. Saute and cook them on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Onions turned transparent. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell is gone completely. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Saute and cook them for a minute. Now add in the marinated chicken. Give everything a good mix and cook the chicken on high flame. Chicken starts to release water. Continue to cook the chicken on high flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now add in the prepared green paste. Mix everything together until well combined. Now add 2 tablespoons garam masala powder. Give everything a good mix and continue to cook the chicken on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then reduce the flame to low, cover it with the lid and cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes or until the gravy releases oil. Now add 1 liter water. Give it a mix and bring it to boil on high flame. Here I have used 3 cups, which means 750 grams chittimutyalu rice for 1 kg chicken. I have rinsed the rice and soaked it in water for 1 hour. Add in the soaked rice to the boiling water. Gently give everything a mix and bring it to boil on high flame. Then add 1 tablespoon ghee. Gently give it a mix. Then cover it with the lid. Reduce the flame to low and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Then turn off the flame and allow it to rest for another 15 minutes. And the chicken donne biryani is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.